Social Topics is a tool that analyzes the text of an SM2 result set in order to find themes of discussion, and then gives you the option of creating SM2 categories based on those themes. Social Topics is extremely useful for both creating theme-based SM2 categories and in discovering themes that you don't even know about. When retrieving social media data from a search in SM2, you will receive a large number of results. These results are easily categorized by date, domain, language, etc. However, until Social Topics, there was no automated way of parsing a result set by themes of discussion. Social Topics works by reading your entire result set and discovering groups of terms that tend to co-occur with greater than random frequency within individual results. These groups of terms which occur together are your topics. You can assign a meaningful name to each topic. This collection of topics, which are built from a result set, is known as a model. A topic is a collection of terms in an SM2 result set which appear together frequently, thereby suggesting a theme of conversation running through that result set. A model is a set of topics extracted from an SM2 result set. Now let's look at Social Topics in action. When starting Social Topics, you are first presented with the topic model library from which you manage your models. Each model is represented by a colored tile in the library. The colors indicate what stage of the model creation process each model is in. We will begin by creating a new model. The New Model wizard takes you step by step through the creation of a new model. First, give the model a name. In this version, only English is supported. Select the profile or profiles that will serve as the source for the creation of your model. A model can be based on multiple profiles. Simply select the profiles you wish to use. In addition to entire profiles, you can also choose to create a model based on individual categories within profiles by clicking on the Filter button located here. Select the number of topics you wish to have created. It is best to start with a default of 30. If you discover your result set actually has more or fewer, you can rebuild the model later using a different number of topics. Once you have set up the new model, it will show in the topic model library with a status of building. Depending on the size of your source data, creation of a model can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Now let's look at the model editor using a model I've already created. This is the model editor. Each column represents a topic, and each tile in a topic is a single term. Topics are generated based on co-occurrence of words in your result set, but the system does not actually understand the meanings of the words it is listing. For that reason, there will usually be topics in your initial model that are not indicative of a theme of conversation and are not relevant. This is where you come in. In the model editor, you can disable topics that are not relevant. You can also disable and reorder individual words, crafting your topics to reflect themes of conversation of the greatest interest to you. To disable topics or individual words, click the X above each item. Looking at this topic, it appears to be related to Super Bowl advertising. If you'd like a hint of what results contributed to the topic, you can see some sample results here. Every topic should have a unique and descriptive name. Topic names can be edited by simply selecting and typing in the new name. Let's name this topic as we will be using it in SM2. This one appears to be about recipes using Doritos. When you are done editing your model, saving it will take you back to the topic model library. However, in order to use your model to create theme-based categories in SM2, You will first need to lock the model. Only locked models can be used in SM2. Once a model is locked, it can no longer be changed. This model can now be used in SM2. Here in SM2, you can apply your model to any profiles you wish. Note that the profiles used as the data source when creating the model are not necessarily the same profiles that the model is applied to. For example, you may create a model based on a result set for your product, then apply it to a profile for your competitor. Models are applied to profiles from the main profile list in SM2. Simply select the profiles you wish the model to be applied to, then select the model. The model Doritos New is now applied to the 3 selected profiles. Which means, when viewing results or reports in SM2, you can now filter on theme-based topics. The topics created in the model editor are now available as categories in SM2. Very cool.